Do you know many people are having trouble with activating their car radio's subwoofer feature? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Access Setup. Press and hold the select button to access the Setup menu. Step 2. Find Settings. Keep pressing the select button until you find the subwoofer settings displayed. Step 3. Adjust Volume. Rotate the control dial to adjust the subwoofer volume to your preferred level. Step 4. Save Settings. Press and hold the select button again to save your settings. Step 5. Exit Menu. Press the back button to exit the setup and return to normal mode. Now, you should be able to easily activate and enjoy the subwoofer on your Sony MEX-BT3700U. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Sony users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.